Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Firefox and heading straight to add-ons and themes. This gets you where extensions live. Make sure your browser is updated. Extensions rely on current APIs, so updates avoid compatibility issues. Once done, use the search box at the top to type the extension name or keywords. You should see suggestions and store results. Pick the one that matches your need. This first step saves time and prevents installing the wrong tool because the descriptions and reviews clarify functionality. Now you evaluate the extension before adding it. Check ratings, user count, and the last update date to gauge trust and maintenance. Read the permissions carefully. They explain what data the extension can access and why that access matters. Once confident, click Add to Firefox. The browser will show a permission prompt, so confirm only if permissions match the feature set. After installation, you'll see the extension icon or a brief welcome. This indicates it's active and ready for configuration. Finish by customizing the extension. Open its options page to set preferences, shortcuts, and site exceptions. This tailors behavior to your workflow. Once configured, pin the icon to the toolbar for instant access and test on a relevant site to confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, first disable, then re-enable the extension. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall or check that Firefox version supports the extension. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure no other extension conflicts by temporarily disabling others.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.